Today we'll be making Greek yogurt in our Instant Pot. In your Instant Pot, add in 4 liters of milk. Turn on your Instant Pot and we'll be using the yogurt mode function. We'll want to heat our milk until it reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This will take about 30 minutes. Once the milk has heated to 180, take it out and we'll let this cool. After about 30 minutes, your milk should have cooled to about 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll add in our Greek yogurt, which will act as a starter. Make sure your Greek yogurt has bacterial cultures. Mix in the Greek yogurt into your milk and stir. Now we'll bring our pot back to the Instant Pot and use the yogurt mode function for anywhere from up to 8 to 12 hours. I've let it cook for 8 hours, so now we're ready to drain. Use a cheesecloth and strain. This will get you a thick, creamy Greek yogurt. Enjoy!